Next question is from Present Brave Kind. Hi, Tad. I tried to post something, but I cannot see it. Anyway, I have another quick question that you might answer already in your content. Do you state the price up front when a potential client asks you? That is the topic I have for tomorrow's email. That's 100% what I'm talking about in tomorrow's email. I was told by other marketing and sales professionals that when somebody asks me for my price, I should not answer, but rather engage them in a different conversation, ask them questions, and bounce to explain how I can help them. I know that when somebody does that to me, I instantly hate it. Me too. Uh, if I ask for a price, it is because in my head, I know what I currently can and can't afford. And even if it is, I cannot, uh, cannot currently consider it. I want to know. So I've tried to implement. So though I've tried to implement the strategy of withholding the price, it doesn't work for me. If I feel cringy and not authentic. So Anais, yes, I do have a number of videos on that. So let me show you. This is the email that's going out tomorrow. That's actually the whole focus is on this question. So your question a month ago was perfect timing for today. But I'll show you the videos because then you'll be able to find them. Oh no, wait, here we go. Cute. There we go. Oh, sorry, this is on Saturday. This goes out. Should I show my price on my website? And here's the videos. So you can just search these by title. Just search Tad Hargrave. Should I include pricing on my website? Do you recommend having a price on my website? Should I show my pricing? Should I put the price on my website on the website? There you go. And they also have a playlist that you can check out just on pricing in general here. And I've got 30 videos. Just search pricing 101 Tad Hargrave or look in my playlist. You'll probably find it. So I won't go into it too much other than to say, yes, for the love of God, almost always I would say put your price up front. Let people know what it is, um, just to save everybody the drama and the trouble. I think it respects people's time to share their price. Here's the reason I wouldn't, though. The only reason I wouldn't is sometimes the work is going to be very bespoke and you're actually not going to be able to give them a price. Like if somebody says, how much is it going to cost to trim the trees on my land? They got to come and do a quote. They can't quote you. But if you get expert enough, you could say, okay, how big is how many acres? How many trees? What kind of trees? And okay, given that, the range will be this to this. It's not going to be less than this, but it won't be more than this. And you can give people a range. Yeah, so you get good at diagnosis and you can start to do that. And sometimes you can do that with a little form, a little quiz, a little assessment online. But God, I mean, I think wouldn't we all want that, the respect of some basic range so there's not a sticker shock. So anyway, check out those other videos and here we go.